Hi everyone, I'm Ere Perez and I am so excited to share we have this new, fabulous, incredible development. I have to show you, I'm really proud of what we have achieved here. This is the world's first incredible, beautiful packaging that is gonna be the home of all our powders. So you can see it's the first of its kind. It's a mono element material, which means it's made only by one thing. This material is called aluminum, which is infinitely recyclable. It's only 3 pieces. 1, 2, twist, then the powder, and then 3. It's so light, it's so good for our environment because we don't need to have now the package that we had before. This is a normal, ordinary packaging that we all used them for years. I have this is one, then we're gonna put a powder on top. You refill it, you have glue, sticker, label, top. There is also something in here that is called a hinge. We don't have that anymore. When you're trying to recycle this material, it's pretty impossible. You have to throw away the whole piece because it has so many components. Today, we live in a world where we're trying the best we can to help our environment. Ere Perez has always been ahead in looking for the best that we can do. This is very simple and still small because we try to have the less plastic possible. But now, there's actually no plastic at all. How exciting is that? So you get the base again. What about a mirror? It's right there because it's metal. Then you also have a ring. You can put your bronzers, your powders, and then the top. Absolutely stunning. I love it. I'm so excited. It's so luxurious. And the best of it is that you're just gonna purchase again and again your insert, which means there's less also spending money for you. So that is really good. So I'm excited. I hope you do enjoy this incredible development that we have now and understand how important it is for everybody to think outside the box and look for new solutions. I hope I've inspired more with this video and I hope you enjoy our new product. Thank you everyone.